Choppy market today. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to your Tuesday. Today is actually the first day for our Tech Bud staycation, where we have 3 visitors staying with us at one of our Airbnbs right next to the HQ. So make sure if that you find yourself in the Chandler, Arizona area, you come pay us a visit, especially on Thursday. We're going to be having a pizza party around the afternoon time. So I hope to meet some of you guys in person. And again, that is this Thursday. I think it's August 25th, if I'm not mistaken. Hope to see some of you guys there. And of course, it's for free. I really hope that it earned your thumbs up in this video. Please consider subscribing. One of the things that I want to jump right into is talk about one of the reports. So first off, it's a pretty choppy market. TQQQ gapped up, and then all of a sudden it began to gap down. Now we've been trading sideways. Support right around 32.50, resistance right around 32.75. What is going on? I think the market's going to drop, and I want to share with you why. You guys can let me know down in the comment section. Not only has the market been dropping for the past 2 days, but a report was released today. This is a new home sales. This is an overall report month over month based off of new homes that were developed and what actually sold. Expectation was around 575,000, right? Or 580,000. We reported 511,000. And what does this mean? Well, it means that we sold less new homes than expected. Now, when it comes down to what this means on the percentage side of things, I not only like to compare month over month, which it's down 12% since the month of July. It's good to know, right? If you've wanted to buy a house, how the overall housing market is doing. But we are down 29.6% since last year. That's the crazy part. 511,000 homes were sold this month. Last month, down from the revised 585,000. Last year, 726,000 new homes were sold. Now, the crazy part about this is that the median price, the average price of these homes that were sold this year versus last year is this year they're still more expensive. They rose to 539,000, and last year they were nearly, 10% cheaper? So they were 10% cheaper last year. Interest rates are higher this year, and now we're selling year over year 30% less. So what do you think is going to happen as we continue to sell less and prices are still this high? Interest rates are still rising, only making it less of an incentive to buy a home right now because it's so expensive when it comes down to interest rates. Buyers or new home buyers are just going to be less inclined to actually purchase a house, which means that these prices have to drop. So if you've been in the market for potentially buying a brand new house, maybe it's not a bad time to not be super aggressive with making these offers. I'm shorting the overall market today. The market's barely up 0.3%, but I am up over $6,000 on the day. We did an amazing job within our live trading session, being able to get in at a very low price point. It's all about position size. And first off, I'm trading with a decent dollar amount, but nonetheless, if you even do the math, I'm up at least 1%. And the overall market is barely up 0.2 to 0.3%. And how do you do that? Well, again, position size. You should never be scared to take part or advantage of an opportunity. All you have to do is manage that position size, especially if you suck at risk management. It's one of the things that we talk about over and over again, and I can't stress this enough. If you are someone as an absolute beginner, I really hope that you take time to actually test this out. I don't know how much you're trading with, but either cut it in half or cut it in a quarter. And what I mean by that is, let's say you're trading with $1,000 or you're investing with $1,000. You're not here to make money, right? Your focus should be to learn what it is that you need to be doing, and you're going to make mistakes. So stop thinking that you're going to consistently make money right away. Try to have the approach of, I am here to learn, and I want to minimize the amount of money that I actually lose, right? So with that being said, if you are trading with $1,000, stop trying to always buy with $1,000. Buy with $500. Buy with $250. Shoot, I don't care. Buy with $100. You are here to show yourself that you know when to buy, that you know when to sell. So when you make those little minute mistakes, they don't cost you much. And even if you do make a profit, that's just the cherry on top. But the goal is to understand and to build your set list of criterias of the what to do's and the what not to do's within your first couple of months of trading. So later down the road, you can then have experience, have confidence, and by understanding what to do, you can then begin to trade with more money. But if you continue to approach trading in a super aggressive way, especially during choppy markets, yeah, things are maybe not getting worse when it comes down to the, inflation side of things, but we have still yet to find out how aggressive they're going to, tighten with the Federal Reserve, how aggressive they're going to raise interest rates, and how the housing market is going to, affect overall markets if it actually begins to decline. There's still a solid reason on why the markets can continue to drop. So don't put yourself in a position that you simply cannot tolerate. And that's what I wanted to share within today's video. It's not to encourage you to be scared. You should never be scared to take advantage of an opportunity. I can buy, $500 of the riskiest play, and I can tolerate that, right? Because I trade with over $100,000. All I'm doing is controlling how little I put into that riskier position. Anytime that you see markets to be more risky, don't be scared. Just manage that position size. If the market begins to dip, embrace it, welcome it. That just means that you get to buy Apple, Amazon, Tesla, whatever quality company you see the most value in at a cheap price. And that's exciting. The only people, think about this, the only people that get scared when the markets pull back are those that did not prepare because they do not have the money to buy the dip. How do you not become one of those? Take time and prepare. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, shoot me a message via Discord. It's the first link down below, or send me a message via Instagram, and that's that third link down below. If you want to watch me trade live, you heard me talk about them in this video. It's my Learn Plan Profit group. They are the only group that get to watch me and work with me on a closer basis every single day the market's open. And that's that second link down below if you want to learn more about it. Again, friendly reminder, this week is our Tech Bud Staycation. I hope to see some of you guys in our HQ in Chandler, Arizona. Shoot me a message before you come just to make sure that we have open spots. It is for free. And also, one of the things I did want to tell you, I just had a brain fart, but yeah, our pizza party is going to be on Thursday, so I hope to see some of you guys there. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.